I don't like being at the pet store. Well, it's a good chance to get adopted for sure. Are you sure? Well, you are for sale, so there's a really high chance you will get adopted. Okay. Oh, look at that cute dog! Is that me? Mom, can we have him? Sure, honey, but we have to get him a leash and collar, and having a dog is kind of hard work. We were just getting food for our cat, and dogs don't really go good with cats either. Can we adopt him anyway? Oh, fine. Goodbye, Coco. But I was for sale. Why did no one adopt me? Oh, it's been like a day, and it's like 3 o'clock in the morning right now. This is my escape. Hey, little guy. Are you adopting me? Hey, why are you taking that away from me? Okay. Whoa! Where am I? This is the dump. This is where all the dogs that don't get adopted go. What? I can't stay here. Yep, and I was for sale too. So do like dogs for sale never get adopted or something? Ooh, the light turned on. That means there's humans coming in. Okay. Your fur is so sparkly. Huh? I'm here to get you out. Okay. Just get on my back or something. But how about me? You can just run along. Well, I'm good at running anyway, so yeah. We're here. We're here. Okay. That was kind of long. It kind of was. And you just need to bounce on that pink thing to get out. And there's an open door up there. Okay, are you sure? Why won't you come with us? Well, I have to stay here. There's a lot of things I have to do for the other dogs and cats that want to get out. See you soon. Are you sure? What's your name? Chocolate. Chocolate, are you sure we can get out on our own? Yes, I'm pretty sure we can. Okay, so he told us that we just need to bounce on this thing, right? So, get on my back. Okay, we're here. Okay, we did it. We actually did it. What do we do now, though? Well, I'm actually not sure. Huh? Maybe we could get up there. I see like a house-looking thing up there. Well, I kind of want it to be wild. Well, I want us to be the first dog pack of the Wild!